Welcome to Old Sacramento, one of my favorite places to visit. As you can see, Old Sacramento is right next to the river, and so come winter, it floods, and it floods pretty bad. So from 1849, when this part of town was built, it dealt with yearly floods that over 100 years ended up destroying the majority of the buildings. Some buildings stand strong to this day, but others, not so lucky, they were too badly damaged and had to be rebuilt as replicas. Old Sacramento does not flood nearly as bad or as often as it once did. The reason, Sacramento built a very extensive levee system to stop flooding of its city. So in 1960, Old Sacramento was rebuilt and became a U.S. National Historic Landmark District. The B.F. Hastings is a building which now holds the Wells Fargo Museum. But before that, it was a few other things. It was Theodore Judah's office. He played a large part in the making of the railroad. It held the Pony Express for a time, and from 1855 to 1869, it was the Supreme Court of California. This is one of the buildings that stood strong and is still original. Not so original is the Eagle Theater. It was destroyed by floods, but was rebuilt as a replica and still has some children's plays here from time to time. An interesting part is that the Eagle Theater was the first building made in California that was specifically to be used as a theater. Also, just a cool trivia fact for you, the architecture of West End, that's what Old Sac used to be called, is actually said to be a Victorian style brought in by the miners in 1849. However, the truth is actually Spanish. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I hope you come back again next week for another cool video. Every Tuesday, I post another one.